Hey guys, just want to give you a quick walkthrough of your new home. So come into the front door here. You have your front bedrooms, bathroom, another bedroom. You have the garage. Looks gonna be laundry room. And another bedroom. Coming back in here into the great room, you have a nice tray ceiling. Kitchen area. Little pantry. And into the master. Has a nice tray ceiling in here as well. Master bath, tub shower. You get a separate shower and tub. You'll have a dual sink. Check out this huge master closet that joins into the laundry room conveniently. Coming back into the living room area and your covered porch. Can't wait to give you another update. Talk to you soon.